Top 3 best cheapest driving schools in Dubai. In Dubai, driving school prices can look simple for about 5 seconds. Then the details start to ruin that illusion. One school shows a low starting number, another looks more expensive until you notice what is included, and a third suddenly becomes the smarter choice if you are a true beginner instead of someone who already qualifies for fewer training hours. That is why the winner here is not just the school with the smallest headline on the page, it is the one that still feels cheapest once training hours, included fees, and real beginner value all start to matter together. What actually makes a driving school cheap? For this ranking, the key is simple. Cheap in Dubai depends heavily on whether you need 20, 15 or 10 hours of car training. Emirates Driving Institute, for example, explicitly ties course length to your prior driving license background, which is why comparing only one big number can be misleading. So this ranking looks at publicly posted light motor vehicle, or LMV, entry prices, and then asks a more useful question. Which school still looks good once the deal stops being theoretical? That changes the ranking a lot, because some schools are cheap only for experienced learners, while another stays very competitive even for beginners. Option 3, Dubai Driving Center, the simple low entry contender. Dubai Driving Center takes third place because its official site keeps the message very direct. Its homepage says light motor vehicle starts from AED 3,360, which immediately puts it in the low price conversation in Dubai. That matters if you want a school that signals affordability without pushing you straight toward premium packages. The reason it stays at number 3 is not because the price looks bad. It is because the public detail is thinner than the next two. You see the attractive starting point, but you do not get the same clear public breakdown of how that value holds up across different training hour paths. So it looks cheap, but not quite as convincingly cheap once you compare transparency as well as price. Option 2, Excellence Driving. Stronger if you qualify for fewer hours. Excellence Driving climbs higher because its public pricing is clearer. Its regular card shows a discounted 10-hour price of AED 3,287.25, which undercuts Dubai Driving Center's published starting point. But here is the twist that changes the ranking. Its regular 20-hour discounted price is AED 4,179.75, so the value feels much better if you already qualify for the shorter route. That is exactly why it lands at number 2. If you are not a true beginner, Excellence becomes very attractive very fast. But if you are starting from zero, the price jumps enough that it stops feeling like the smartest cheap choice overall. Option 1, Emirates Driving Institute. The cheapest answer that holds up. This is where the opening look closes. Emirates Driving Institute takes first place because it stays competitive even when the comparison gets harder. On its affordable driving course page, the 10-hour automatic full payment option is AED 2,923.65 and the 20-hour beginner automatic full payment option is AED 3,411.90. The same page also says RTA fees are included and the package notes say VAT and eye test are included as well. That is why it wins. Dubai Driving Center looks cheap, fast, Excellence looks sharper if you qualify for fewer hours. But ED is the school that still feels like the best cheap answer after the fine print starts mattering, especially for beginners who cannot rely on a shorter training requirement. The cheap choice that usually makes the most sense. If you want a simple low entry option, Dubai Driving Center is still a serious contender. If you already qualify for a shorter course, Excellence Driving becomes much more tempting. But if you want the cheapest driving school in Dubai that usually makes the most sense overall, Emirates Driving Institute stands out because the price stays stronger when the real costs start becoming visible. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.